What if I want to use a scenario that's requiring me to use the CosmosDB Mongo API? Can I use any of the connectors that ship with the product? So let me cover this. So there are some important things that you need to be aware of. First and foremost, the CosmosDB connector, which is a premium connector, it only supports using CosmosDB with SQL API. Also, the third-party MongoDB connector, it only supports using the managed version of MongoDB, which is Atlas. So you can't use it if you're planning on using the Mongo API with Cosmos DB. So what does this mean? This means you need to either use a custom connector or an HTTP request action, and you need to create an API that leverages the Mongo client to expose these capabilities. So what's required? So first and foremost, you create an API that has the proper CRUD operations that are needed for your scenario. Then you'll need to expose that API so it can be called through the Power Platform. And in our case, I'll be demonstrating how to do this with the function app and APIM. And what you'll want to do is you want to add the function app to APIM so we can export the open API definition, because the open API definition will be used to create the custom connector. Now, this third step is not needed if you're just planning to use the HTTP action to call your API.